Last month's champion workshop was amazing. Everybody's energy elevated, buzzing. Well, we're doing it again this Thursday. If you want some help to lift yourself up that energy ladder, tap into that inner champion that you know is there to help you propel yourself forward towards your goals, to manage your life, to get into an easy stride in your life, then this Champion Energy Workshop is for you. We'll be looking at 3 steps to access your inner resources already there. 1, we'll acknowledge where you're at. 2, we'll recognize successes and achievements. And 3, we'll recognize the qualities proven by your successes and achievements and grow that into your champion state, that you can happily, with all your natural power and innate abilities, move forward flowing in your life. Come and join us. The link's below this Thursday, 12 o'clock UK time. See you there.